This resort is a mixture of traditional and modern style of architecture design. The design of this resort is focused on attracting people from urban areas who actually migrated from their villages for seeking job and settle there. These people always have attraction towards traditional structural designs but also want to stay connected with modern technologies. The resort is closer to the beach. It has a great view of sea and activities on the beach. There is a play area for toddlers and young kids, helping parents to keep their children away from mobile phones and similar devices. The kids definitely enjoy to play with their parents, which they have always been missing back in the city. We also have a swimming pool because playing in the sea with toddlers could be little dangerous. Pool provides a safe environment and security for parents and the young ones. Resort has 3 types of accommodation provided on different levels. Dormitory for 6 to 8 persons. It has bunk beds. Each bunk beds has its own storage space and charging point for the electronic items. 2 WCs and 2 baths are there for better comfort. If in case the dormitories are with full occupancy, we have a single occupancy room which can be converted to 2 occupants by simply adding single mattress for visitors, drivers, etc. Finally, a suite room for a couple or 2+1 family, which we discussed in our previous video. If you have missed that video, we have provided a link in the card above and also in the description below. There is a multi-purpose space on the first floor, which can be used as a breakfast area in the morning or lounge area for the rest of the day. This area can be used for small group functions such as birthday party, anniversary, etc. This is a heavy rainfall zone, hence we have provided sloping roof. This gives traditional look to the structure. Local red sandstone is used for construction of external walls. As we all know, sandstone not only gives a traditional Konkan look but also provides sound and thermal insulation. Though resort occupies a limited bed, it has all facilities and comfort of a resort to spend some relaxing moment for a vacation. Doesn't it? Please comment and let us know what do you think about this resort. Do like this video and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notifications to stay updated.